King here. What's up, guys? Today I'm feeling a lot better. It does feel like someone hit me with a grizzly magnum in my chest. Besides that, that's it. So I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Today's looks kind of tricky. We have both these sessional lows right here, both these sessional highs, and markets like kind of consolidating right in between them. I checked the 5 minute. It's the same thing. I checked the 15 minute. It is the same thing. There's no imbalances. It's just those sessional highs. So we will have to wait to see what market does when it opens. But I did notice one thing. Right here, we are in an uptrend. So I think we're gonna uptrend to this. To what day was this? Yesterday's high. Yesterday's high in New York. AM. Because right here you can see that we're in an obvious uptrend. And right here in the 5 minute, we are kind of in the uptrend as well. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens. Hopefully we can just sweep out this sell side liquidity, ignore this sell side liquidity, and then come up for these sessional highs, or even better, ignore both these sell side liquidities for my entry and come to these sessional highs. But we're just gonna have to see. But that's like the perfect world. And there's CPI tomorrow, so I'm expecting there to be a lot of volume today. So what did we do? We swept out this buy side liquidity. Well, we didn't really fully sweep it out, so I'm not even gonna mark that. Oh, I'm on the 5 minute. What the hell? Oh no. Yeah, we swept out this buy side liquidity. Oh, what the hell? I think the play of the day is gonna be shorts. Oh, never mind. Just gotta see. Honestly, this is a kind of tricky day. It's hard. It's gonna be hard to find a. Well, no, it's not for me, cause I'm the best. I got Newt on my side. Yes. Alright, this got filled right away. We might be able to still see a bearish candle. I mean a bullish candle. If I can get a line to this high with two cons, I'll be chilling. Why? Okay. What happened so far? We just swept out this buy side liquidity. Both those lows are down there. None of the sessional lows are getting tapped. They're just getting ignored. I'm gonna be right back. Today was a pretty funny trading day. W price action for September so far. Hopefully September can keep this price action up because it's been really good. But you guys will see this trading day in a little bit. Eat garlic when you're sick, and it actually kind of worked yesterday, so I'm gonna eat one today, but later. Let's see if this is my entry in 7 seconds. Nope. I should get an entry though sometime soon. I can feel it in my chest. I'm gonna have to size down to 1 con. The power of editing. So right here, I'm just gonna skip to where I took my entry. Yeah, I found this. I had an absolutely great entry. I was able to trade with 2 contracts instead of 1. If I was trading with 1 contract, where I would have placed my TP, would have still got hit, but it would just took way longer. So I'm glad I was able to trade with 2 contracts today, and I only need 400 more to pass that count because I went over their rule, and I will show you guys that in the next video. So enjoy this one. No, I wanted to use 2 cons, but oh my fucking god, bro. I'm gonna have to use 1 for sure now. Maybe we can get some retracement. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Sniper time. Oh, wait, never mind, never mind. Sniper gang.
Order filled.
I don't want to be a rapper. I want to be sniper. Alright, now we just wait. Now this trade played out pretty much exactly how I expected it to. Something that I did forget to do was explain why I took the trade. As I make videos and stuff, I'll get better at explaining stuff like that. But in the trade, I pretty much say this in pretty much almost all my videos. I never move my stop loss to break even. Typically, unless I'm like 3 ticks away from my TP, not even. I have to be like super close to my TP for me to move my stop loss to break even, and I never do that. And today was a great example of why I say not to move your stop loss to break even, because it went to where I entered and then we just went straight to my TP. So you guys will see that later in the video. But if you want me to explain why I took my trades, just leave it in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this shit gets ignored, oh my god, my TP's about to get hit quick. But if it gets filled, then I'm gonna be here for a minute. Oh wait, I might not be here for a minute. As long as it's not like yesterday's, bro. I was on the charts for an hour. It made me feel like I was working a job. Yes, it's getting ignored. Even if this closes out, mm, even if this closes out like it is, I'm expecting the next candle to kind of just sell off if it doesn't get filled at least. It's either gonna sell off on this candle, form another bullish candle, then another bearish candle, and then price action is gonna come like consolidate, not consolidate, just do whatever price action does, and then just sell off. Yeah, as I expected. And then we're gonna close like somewhere around here, this level, or this level. This is kind of what I'm expecting. Well, not expecting, predicting. Consolidate, 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 and then just sell off. This is kind of what I'm predicting is gonna happen, but we'll see after this low. Because after this low gets hit, price likes to kind of form up a little bit. I know there's nowhere near my TP, but price kind of likes to form up a little bit, and before it does something like that. But we'll see. You never really know. My TP could just get hit right now. Yeah, things gonna get hit soon. I'm happy that it wasn't those days where I just had to wait. Wait. And I don't think this sell liquidity is gonna reject our bounce price up, just because we're just in such a shorting trend, and not only that, we're just so close to these sessional lows. People are just trying to short right now. No, there's no way someone's trying to long off that, unless they're like a scalping. Like this is where scalpers buy, and that's where they sell at. But like with a gazillion contracts though. I'm not gonna lie. When I was trading micros, I was like, I didn't even really care what minis were like. And then I started trading minis, and I started trading minis and started trading New York AM, and my life just completely did a 180. I was still profitable trading micros on New York PM, but like New York AM's price action is so much better, so much cleaner, clear, clear liquidity sweeps, little to no manipulation. Like there's no manipulation in this, none of that. And it's like New York AM though. On the other hand, manipulation. Sometimes sell liquidities or buy sell liquidity sweeps don't get respected. Honestly, New York PM. I mean New York. New York PM. All New York PM is just an imbalance. If you can spot where the imbalance was, then just go the opposite direction from the price, and that's pretty much it. And then obviously you have your entry. But the reason why I stopped trading New York PM is because my entries kept getting disrespected. I kept getting manipulated, all that stuff. And then I backtested New York AM, and I went for like a month straight without a single loss, just backtesting my strategy. I think I had like 3 losses in the span of 2 months. I think they only let you back test maximum 2 months, anyways. Like 2 months and a few days. But yeah, after well, I don't know if my TP is gonna get hit or not, but it's pretty close. Um, if my TP gets hit, I'll only need $400 to pass the account since they gave me an extra buffer. So instead of the 3K I needed, I needed to make 4K because I made 2K in one day, which is stupid because I lost 8K before I made that 2K. So you kind of get what I'm saying. It's pretty stupid. So after that, I'll only need 400, which would be pretty easy for me to get. And after I get that 400, I'll activate my 2 Express accounts, and I'll have 2 Express accounts. Target don't target anything crazy. Target like 300, 200 for the first 4 days, and then on my last days I'll just target regular, just to get a slight 2K payout. But who knows what happens? I can get more than 2K, less than 2K. We'll just have to see. I'm honestly expecting this to get filled instantly. It's so random, bro. No news or nothing. I'm just going on my phone. If I get stopped out here, I'll be very surprised, honestly. I think it's just some retracement, but we'll see. This is literally pitching. I'm so glad this has happened. Yesterday this happened, and today this happened. So you see, I'm so close to my TP right there. Most people like to move to break even right here, and I just never move to break even, and I just never move my stopwatch to anything. But this is just why I don't move to break even. Bro, who's having bank account battles, bro? Cause someone's selling, someone's buying, bro. Someone's having is Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates battling on NQ today or something? Cause what the heck? Hopefully this closes out bearish. I doubt it though. Bill Gates is short, Mark Zuckerberg is long. Oh, let's go, Mark Zuckerberg. Let's go, Bill Gates. Come on, Bill Gates. Come on, Bill Gates. Come on, Bill Gates! Let's go. Alright, so you see, I have 3K on my account. 3,800. And I still need to make more money because of their dumbass rule. But that's how you make 1,500 on a Tuesday morning. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, I made that in what, 30 minutes? Yes. I'm just happy I wasn't here for an hour like I was yesterday. All right, so I made 3K in 4 days. Then I lost 1K because I didn't follow my rules. Then I made 400. Then I made 1,500. Now I gotta make 400 tomorrow. So that's 4K in like around 6 or 7 days. Alright, but I'm off.